Hello friends, welcome to Lightning Brain, where we learn smart, simple tips for a healthier and happier life. Today's topic is something we use every day, our teeth. Do you know what's the biggest enemy of our teeth? Tooth decay. In the next few minutes, we'll discover what it is, what causes it, and how to keep our smile shining bright. Let's go. What is tooth decay? Tooth decay is damage to your teeth caused by harmful bacteria. Our teeth have a strong outer layer called enamel. When bacteria in our mouth feed on sugars from food, they make acids. These acids slowly break down the enamel, leading to tiny holes called cavities. At first, you might not notice, but later, cavities can cause pain, bad breath, and even tooth loss. How do you know if you have tooth decay? Look out for tooth sensitivity to hot, cold, or sweet foods, pain or discomfort when chewing, visible holes or dark spots, bad breath that doesn't go away after brushing. If you notice these signs, it's time for a dental checkup. Tooth decay usually happens because of eating too much sugar and sticky snacks, not brushing and flossing regularly, drinking sugary drinks like soda, poor dental habits, skipping regular dentist visits. It's all about what we do or don't do every day. Here's your Lightning Brain quick guide to healthy teeth. Tip 1. Brush twice a day. Use a soft brush and fluoride toothpaste. Brush for 2 minutes, morning and night. Tip 2. Floss daily. Floss removes food between teeth where brushes can't reach. Tip 3. Limit sugary foods and drinks. Drink water instead of soda and snack on fruits or vegetables. Tip 4. Visit the dentist. Go every 6 months for a checkup and cleaning. Tip 5. Use mouthwash. Antibacterial mouthwash can reduce harmful bacteria. So friends, remember, daily care equals healthy smile. Brush, floss, eat right, and see your dentist regularly. Your smile is your superpower. Protect it. Thanks for watching Lightning Brain. If you enjoyed this, hit like, share it with friends, and subscribe for more smart health tips. And as always, keep smiling.